So I'm working with another unit from Braids Queen Hair. This is the inside of the cap. It does have combs in there as well. This one is actually a bigger cap, and as you can see, that lace is a little dark for me, but it's blendable, and if you have a darker skin tone, it'll really blend for you. So I'm putting this on, and my wig cap is all types of exposed, so I'm figuring out how I'm gonna do that, because I would prefer a black wig cap with this one, but I don't have a black wig cap, so we're gonna have to make something shake. The cap size fits really good with this unit compared to the last one I had from them. This one's a little more roomy and stretchy, and it fit me ear to ear. So I'm just fitting it, and I slid my wig cap back behind the lace for the most part, so that way it's still helping me lay my hair down and keep it from snagging under the wig, but you know, it's not giving me any issues. And then there you can see I have some baby hair. We're gonna use that later, but first I have to, you know, secure the wig, and I'm using freeze spray only to do that, and I'm putting a scarf on it, and then I'm going to blow dry, you know, to just speed up the process pretty much. And this is really easy to take off. All I'm doing is cutting off the lace straight across. Well, not straight across, but you know, I'm not cutting it into sections or anything, just jaggedly cutting across the wig. Then you want to make sure you just get any excess little bits off of the lace so it'll blend in with your hair. I do have just some of my end corners by my ear that will stick out just a little bit, but nothing different than what I usually have, and definitely not that bad. But when I have this issue, I like to use the, what's it called? The glue, the yellow tube glue. I could not remember, and that gets tacky easier when I have to lay it on my hair than just trying to use hairspray alone. I need to get in my mirror, y'all. I need to see what I was doing up close to get the rest of those bits of lace off. So now I'm ready to start working with the baby hair. And listen, I'm going to start by using the mousse, but I'm gonna just let y'all know right now, I struggle with adding a ton of baby hair. I already don't care for too much baby hair. I like it with my braided wigs, but it's not really, you know, my thing like that. So I struggle a little bit with it. So I just wanted to be human and show y'all that, you know, everybody has their own issues when it comes to wigs. Nobody's perfect. And so I like to cut jagged. I can get the gist of it down. It's the swooping for me. But I cut the hairs jaggedly so that they'll swoop right for me. And I just have to keep playing with them until I get it right. And, you know, that takes me a minute sometimes. I'm not even going to stun y'all. Some people, it's real easy. For me, I'm not that person. Like you see just now, I had to start over. And I had to train the hairs to go, like, forward again with the scarf. And then redo it. And then this time is when it worked for me with the baby hair. This has nothing to do with the wig. It's literally my skill level with baby hair. But, you know, that's person to person. You might be better at it than me, but it takes me a minute to get it right. And I thought I'd just be transparent and show you how that went down for real. So once I set the baby hair for real, then I put my scarf on again, and I use my blow dryer to help me dry it, just so the baby hairs don't move once I'm done. And then that's the result when I take it off. So now I'm going to get in these parts, and I tried using liquid concealer first. That's LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it works. But the problem was it doesn't spread the same way powder spreads. Powder will spread out real evenly and real nice. So I had to go back to using that, which is what I used in my first braided wig video, which will be linked down below if you want to see it. It's a half up, half down with a little bun at the top. It's cute. But I had to go back to the powder because it was just easier to blend out. So I'm just going all through the parts and putting it in there, and then I'm going to smooth it out and everything and get it looking nice and good. Now, when it gets a little messy like this, and it can't happen, I take some of my black powder. You've probably seen me use it in a few videos, and I just touch up where the concealer shouldn't be. And then they gave me these beads, so I added them in the hair. They're so cute. I just was figuring out where I wanted to position them. I wish I had like all silver, but it comes in a pack of like all different colors. But I love those things. They're so cute. I backed up a little bit so y'all can get the full view of the wig a little bit. Not all the way because it's about as far as it's gonna go. But yeah, it's about this long. I like this unit. It looks like I went and got my hair braided. This is my second one from them and I'm really feeling them. Definitely a cute, easy like vacation wig if you want to get braids but you don't have to sit down to get individual braids. This is a cute, easy, fun look, especially with summer being right around the corner. So if you want to pick her up, she'll be linked down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.